The handheld DC motor is the best way to actively engage students in hands-on learning. The apparatus comes with a handheld generator with a bulb connector on the end. It also has a socket so that you can connect the included alligator wires to it and then have them power any circuit that they can imagine, not just the included light bulb. It also includes a activity guide that has several guided activities. This is straight out of the box, so it's going to have the light bulb included in the end, the handles attached. You can just crank it and already start producing electricity. If you want to power a separate circuit, you would simply take the plug, connect it to the adapter on the end. Now see, I did that to show you that this only goes in one way. So you can still power the light bulb, but then you can also power any circuit that you want to create. The hand generator allows students to fully understand how the speed of a generator affects the potential difference or the voltage that it creates. The faster they turn the handle, the brighter the bulb is going to be. Now that you have a handheld generator, the students can power just about any circuit that you can put together. But one thing that I really like about this, yes, it gets the kids involved, it gets them burning off energy from themselves as well as the circuit, but they provide mechanical motion, they create electricity. If you were to provide the electricity, in this case just 2 batteries, ask the students what would happen then. So when I provide motion, I create electricity. If I provide electricity, I create motion. So when they're spinning this with their hands, mechanical energy is creating electrical energy. This is going to be a generator. When you provide that electrical energy, you are just creating an electric motor. So it's great to discuss both generators and motors. You're not going to find a more convenient out-of-the-box tool to teach students about electricity and magnetism and circuits than the handheld generator. It's ready to go right out of the box. The only thing you have to add, if you wish, is the plug in which you turn the students into a student-powered battery for your experiments. So whether you're engaging students in motors, generators, direct voltage circuits, this is a great way for students to get engaged in the activity that they're doing, have fun, and slip a little bit of learning in there where they're not expecting it.